Hey YouTube, just want to make a quick little video here. This is my 1968 or 69 Philco Ford Noiseless air conditioner. It doesn't have the front panel on it or anything right here. It's a slide-in unit. The case and the front panel are over here. It says Philco Ford and Noiseless there. If I can turn it around. Even it still has the logo on the outside of the case, surprisingly, for the age. Side vent there. The other side does not have a vent on it. Anyways, I'm not entirely sure what all this orange stuff is in here. It's like it's a powder. I don't think that's rust. I'm not 100% sure because it's only on the inside here. There's none on the outside part of the tray. Anyhow, I'll get a shot of the thing here. 9,000 BTUs, 115 volts, 12 amps, 1,390 watts. That's a little hard to see. Model AC9C1 Type B. Good old R22. Anyway, it's like the compressor's up here. I don't know if you can read this or not. I'll try putting a flashlight on it. I have no idea. Yeah, that's it. Who makes this compressor? Not entirely sure what to look for. Maybe someone knows and they can put it in the comments. The side over here. Very, very compact unit. It is not deep at all. It's very wide and tall, but it is not deep. It spins freely. This little strap here, this is for holding the front panel on so it can tip forwards. And then something I found interesting about this, other videos of these kind of units that I've seen online, this would be like a door that would just flip down. On this one, the controls tip out. I think this is really neat. I never would have thought of doing something like this on an air conditioner. But yeah, your typical controls, you got your vent, your off, low, high fan, low, high, cool. The 9 right here, I'm not sure what this is. Maybe this refers to the BTUs being 9,000, I'm not sure. Good old thermostat, let's see. Yeah, you'll hear it click off. You won't hear it click on. It's cool enough here in the basement that it needs to be on constant cool or it just will not fire up. Go ahead and turn it down there. I need to get in there and clean that. I don't know if you can hear it's grinding. I have a GE that's doing that as well. I need to get in there and clean those out. Anyway, go ahead and fire it up here. Low fan. Runs nice and smooth. Put it on high. Switch it to low cool. Come back here to switch on the compressor. Already getting cold. Didn't take very long at all. I suppose I could also show you the back here real quick. Back of the unit. Pulls air in through the condenser and it blows it out that side, which has the vents on the side in the case, and also out the back here across the compressor. So somewhat similar to a one of the old 1980s GE spiny fin units that pulls in through the back and blows out the sides and top. Holy cow, it's like, I don't know if the camera can show it, there's actually a little bit of frost on the coils right there. I don't know if it really shows it, it's kind of that foggy look. Let me see if I can cut the fan out. Yeah, it's running fairly smoothly. It just needs a really, really good cleaning. I ended up finding this up in Cleveland, made a day trip to go get it on Labor Day of all things. Yeah, this is a neat old vintage unit. And I might end up making more videos later, like maybe next year when it's installed in the window, show it actually in the window. It even has a wiring diagram on top. I'm gonna have to see if I can't get this weather stripping off without destroying it, because I want to rewire the thermostat, or the fan, to only come on with the compressor, so it acts like an energy saver feature, but we'll see how that goes. I'll just make more videos probably next year when I put it in. I think this would be great up in my bedroom for next summer. Keep it nice and cool up there. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.